friends, now in this video we'll learn how to make this sketch or 3D exercise in SolidEdge software. Now before starting this 3D modeling, first of all we study this sketch. Now this sketch is length has a 27 plus 46 plus 27. Now 100 by 50 mm squares and now 25 mm circles height. So now first of all we starting from this is which is a 100 by 50 mm square and 50 mm height. So first of all starting from select this here square and now select this right side. Now draw the square here, which is a give the dimension. This one is a 100 mm and now this one is a 50 mm. This one is a 50 by 25 and now this is a 100 by 2. Now finish this sketch, right click here and drag here. Now control N. Now extrude 50 mm both the sides. So select this close area and now drag. Here select the symmetricity and now enter the value 50 mm. Now 50 mm. Now in this sketch this area is removed. So which is a 46 mm at base side and 25 mm at top side, which is a 25 mm height. Now cut these areas. So select line and now lock this face. Select right side. Draw the line, vertical line. Now make it reference. Now draw the another line. Give the dimension. (46 mm) and now this one is a 46 by 2. Now draw, select the line, draw the another line which is a 25, .0. Now this one is the middle 25 by 2. Now between these two lines center 25.025. Now join these two lines, this one this line. Finish this sketch. Now select the extrude. Select this close region sketch and now got this. Now we cutting this angular side, which is 60 mm top portion. Now select the line of this face, draw the line, now give the dimension from center line to this point, 30 mm. Now from bottom 50 mm. Close it. Cut this region 50 mm. Cut this 50 mm. Now draw this circle. The outer diameter is 40 mm, inner core diameter which is 20 mm, hole and extrude up to 25 mm. Now select the circle, this face, draw the circle, now give the smart dimension, mm, and inner circle 20 mm. Now finish this one. Select this close sketch and extrude up to 25 mm. Now select extrude, now make this slot 25 mm from this face, from these edges 5 mm inside, make a close square. Now dimension of square is 20 mm from center. Select smart dimension 50 mm, and now this one is 50 mm. Now this one is 5 mm. Now finish the sketch. Extrude cut up to 25 mm. Now select this, cut out 5. Now mirror, base reference plane, select this one, and now cut out this side. Now hide the reference plane, hide the whole dimension. Now make it view. Give from here colors. Keep cold. Close it. Thank you for watching these videos.